Longtail Pro makes it fast and easy to find great low competition keywords that you can target for your website. If you already know some keywords that you want to get information for, you can use the manual keyword entry. But if you're just exploring and you're trying to find new keywords, we recommend using the Google AdWords suggestions. Start by entering a general keyword as your seed keyword. And then ask for a small number of suggestions to begin with. I recommend somewhere between 20 and 50. With a new keyword, this will give you a good idea of what some of the possibilities are going to be like. If you want to get more advanced, you can filter beforehand by monthly searches, suggested bid, and advertiser competition. But I like to search without filters to start with. Once your keywords load, you will often see the average KC is still loading. This is because we like to keep this information as up-to-date as possible. So if it hasn't been refreshed recently, when you search your keywords, we'll go out and get it live. Once you have keywords, you want to look for KC scores that fall inside of your target keyword competitiveness range. Look for KC that is green or yellow. Green means these keywords will be very easy to target. Yellow means that you have a good chance of ranking for them, but you might want to do a little bit of extra link building work. If you already have a domain, you can add it into your project, and this will update your target keyword competitiveness scores. Now you can see that a lot more keywords look like they will be easy for me to rank my domain for. Once I have some options, I like to look at the lowest KC scores, or the ones with most number of words, and get more suggestions. To do that, I'll sort by the average KC, and then I will ask for 20 more suggestions related to some of these great keywords here. This is a very fast method for drilling down and finding lots of very long tail, low competition keywords quickly from even very general terms. Once you've found some keywords that you're interested in, you can look at the competition analysis by clicking on the keyword. You'll see the monthly search volume, language and country, and the average keyword competitiveness. We also show the target keyword competitiveness for your project. This way, you can look at the top 10 results in Google and see which of the competitors ranking for this keyword are going to be the hardest for you to compete with. The last thing on this page, which you should pay attention to, is the Google results breakdown. Here we'll tell you what percentage of the results on the Google search are organic, or ads, or something from the Google Knowledge Graph. A high SERP availability score means that the majority of the results on the page are organic results that you could rank for with your website.